Today we're doing a really short video on ND filters. They work on DJI Mavic Mini 1 and 2. They are fantastic filters. They are from PGI Tech. This is the 4-box set which has the ND 8, 16, 32 and 64. And now you're gonna ask me straight away, do I need them? Right, so first thing, ND filters. What are they doing? Well, basically they limit the amount of sunlight that is coming through your lens and your sensor. Second thing, why do we use them? Well, we use them to stick to the standard cinematic Hollywood 100-degree angle rule, which basically states that if you have a frame rate of 25, you're gonna need to double your shutter speed. That will make sure that you're gonna have a very nice smooth motion blur. And third thing, when do I put them on? Well, that's actually very simple. Just turn on your drone, put an ND filter and then look at the sky. You should have ISO set to 100, shutter speed 1/50th or double, and if it looks good, not too dark, not too bright, that's the filter you're gonna want to be using.